Hello and welcome back to Spekd, and today I'm going to use these two simple products to make some snow for your terrain and models. So the first thing you'll need is some hair conditioner, stolen from the missus, and some bicarbonate soda. Straightforward, you can see it's dirt cheap. Get a surface to mix them on, and you want a ratio of 6 baking soda to 1 hair conditioner, with 1 arse beating, which I'm about to collect because I didn't tell the missus. See, there we go. Yeah, anyway, make sure you mix these together. No animals harmed in the making of this video. No, I'm fine. Okay, mix them together, give it a little stir. It does get a little bit messy, it does go everywhere, so just keep your hands clean as you can. I strongly suggest that you don't do this in library in public. You know, it doesn't look too good. And definitely don't do this outside of a police station unless you're willing to share. Yeah, I know they love this snow for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it was just those particular police. I'm just saying, because they confiscated it really fast and they sat me down until I gave them the formula. I mean, the cuffs were a bit tight, but whatever. Okay, silliness aside, just give this a mix through. If it's still a bit moist, it doesn't clump together too well, it's kind of slushy, just add more baking soda until it starts to clump. Once it starts to clump, you'll start to see you could pretty much mess with it and push it around as much as you want, and it's kind of moldable. So it almost feels like Play-Doh at this point, and strangely enough, it's really nice and cold. So put it to the test, and I'm going to make myself a snow space marine, and his legs and his torso and head, and I'm going to give him his backpack. Yeah, there you go. They didn't fit. So okay, so one of those things. But you can use it to do things like spruce up your marines. You can update your terrain. You could even mess with the battle map with it. See, right there. Beautiful. Work of art. Okay, let's be a little bit more serious. So you can place this onto any base. Doesn't matter what it's got on it. You can just push it in there. And the really cool thing about this is you can manipulate it for a long time. If you keep it, wrapped in a bag, don't carry it with you in a bag. Just put it in a small container. You should be okay. It does stick very well. It will stay until you physically take it off or tap it off. So it won't really go anywhere. It doesn't have any glue, but it stays real good. And there you go. Just as a quick base there. Little homage to Nurgle. Just chuck it on there. So that's okay. So that's it. Really quick, really simple. I hope you enjoyed. You can even make snowballs. Really? Yeah, see? That's what happens. But that's it for now. This has been Spekd. I've enjoyed my time. Hope you enjoyed yours. PC out.